One sunny morning, Lincoln and Levy put on their aprons and chef hats. "I want to bake cookies," said Lincoln.
"Me too," cheered Levy.
"But we need to follow the recipe carefully." Just then, a sprinkle of magic dust swirled around the kitchen, and out popped Chef Fractionino, the friendly fraction wizard.
"Hello, young chefs," he said with a twirl. "Today we're gonna cook with fractions, learn halves, thirds, and quarters while making yummy treats."
"Yay, let's bake and sing," shouted Lincoln.
"Fractions are fun," giggled Levy, and with a pow, the cooking fractions song began. Half a cup, 1/3 two, fractions make cooking fun for you. Quarter here, quarter there, mix it up with love and care.
Half a cup,
Lincoln scooped flour into the bowl. Half a cup, pour it slow, not too fast, nice and low. Half is one of two, divide it up, now it's true. Chef Fractionino smiled, half means 1 out of 2. Easy, half a cup, 1/3 two, fractions make cooking fun for you. Quarter here, quarter there, mix it up with love and care. 1/3 spoon of sugar, Levy measured sugar carefully. 1/3 spoon, added right, sweet and small, not too light. 3 equal parts, just 1 to pour. Fractions make our math explore. Action prompt, kids pretend to measure tiny spoons at home. Half a cup, 1/3 two, fractions make cooking fun for you. Quarter here, quarter there, mix it up with love and care. Quarters for chocolate chips, Lincoln grabbed chocolate chips. Quarter here, quarter there, divide them fairly, share and care. 4 equal parts, 1 at a time, fraction cookies so sublime. Chef Fractionino explained, quart equals 1 of 4 parts. Fractions are everywhere. Half a cup, 1/3 two, fractions make cooking fun for you. Quarter here, quarter there, mix it up with love and care. Mix and bake, Levy stirred the batter. Half and third and quarter two, stir it up, it's fun to do. Fractions help us follow along, cooking with numbers, singing a song. Half a cup, 1/3 two, fractions make cooking fun for you. Quarter here, quarter there, mix it up with love and care.
The cookies went into the oven. Soon the sweet aroma filled the kitchen. "Yum," said Levy. "They look perfect," added Lincoln. Chef Fractionino waved his whisk. Fractions help us measure and share, and they make baking fun and fair. Lincoln and Levy smiled proudly. Math plus cooking, delicious learning. The children enjoyed their cookies, feeling proud that fractions made baking easy.